Got on board with us GS Chahal. He's the CFO at Meghmani. Mr. Chahal, morning. Wish you a very happy new year from all of us.
Good morning and wish you a very, very happy new year to you and all the viewers of it now.
Thank you so much. Wanted to talk a little bit about Meghmani Organics. If you could tell us about the kind of products that you're currently making, the kind of revenue mix that you have this year, and which segment are you really seeing the maximum traction gather in?
Okay, just to give the overview, in Meghmani Organics, now two key verticals, agrochemicals and pigments. And if you see last year, 18-19 has been very good, exceptionally good I will say as far as agrochemical is concerned. And third division, which is chloroalkali division, and that is under our Meghmani Finechem, which is a major subsidiary.
What about prices then? Are they holding up across product portfolios, or have you seen prices moderate because demand seems to be getting a little wobbly, as we understand?
Give you segment wise, if you see on agrochemicals, there is a cool off into the prices as compared to last year, and certain molecules it has corrected to the range of 15 to 20%. And despite that, so we expect 10 to 12% growth in the top line driven by the volume growth.
Can you broadly tell me that which are your, since you're in the pigment business, pigment industry has got two challenges. One, competition from China, and second, the challenge against emission norms. What is happening to both these factors?
Okay, as far as pigment is concerned, so if you see pigment from the application point of view, major application is in the ink. And we see there is a you can say sluggish in demand in as far as the print media is concerned, but that is getting compensated by good demand from the packaging industry and decorative paints. So that demand is getting make up. So as far as we are concerned, I think we are able to take at that level not much growth as far as pigment is concerned, but it will be flattish growth on the pigment concern.
How much of your business would you say currently is immune to raw material prices and where you have pricing power, which is that if crude and chemical and derivative prices they go higher, you will be able to increase prices? And how much of your business currently is completely exposed to the raw material volatility?
You are absolutely right. Actually, in case of pigments now, because it is a crude based, and if you see last year we were not able to catch up because the prices crude and currency both were on the increasing trend and prices were at the elevated level. So this year from second quarter, I think crude is also in the range and currency is also more or less stabilized in the range. So the prices are stable and we are seeing good traction to the margins as far as pigment is concerned, so as compared to previous year. And second, a lot of focus is on the operational efficiencies in case of pigments. So last year EBITDA margins were around 12 to 12.5%. So this time we are saying it should be in the range of anywhere between 13 to 14%.
The CWIP that's underway, where is this going? What's the impact it's going to have on revenues and profits? When is it going to be coming on stream?
Pardon, can you repeat?
You know, the kind of capital work that you currently have underway, the massive CWIP, just talk to us about the kind of impact this is going to have on revenues going forward.
Okay. CWIP is mainly into the two segments. One is in agrochemical, where our major capex of 127 crore is going on, where we are expanding one of our herbicide 2,4-D, and that will come on stream by H2 next year. And Top line perspective, we will be able to exceed 1000 crore marks, which was 800 crore last year, and next year we should be crossing 1000 crore. That is on case of agrochemical. Pigment, so far we are exploring the new capex, not yet announced. So there is no CWIP in case of pigment division. In case of chloroalkali division, so there is a major capex which is going on, and we are at the final stage of our initial capex where 3 projects, CMS, hydrogen peroxide and caustic expansion is happening. So we have already completed CMS in the month of July, and that is well stabilized now, and we are running at 80% capacity. In case of caustic, that will be completed in next month, and hydrogen peroxide after that, maybe by March or early Q1. So as far as top line and future perspective is concerned, in case of chloroalkali division, if you see last year, I think it was exceptionally prices were very elevated level, which has corrected now, and ECU is now, which was 44,000 in last year, and it in the range of 28 to 30,000 this year now. And I think this year 1920 we will be at the broadly at the same level on the turnover perspective, but next year, because these 3 projects will come on stream, and we will be able to cross 1000 crore turnover next year.
All right, thanks for joining us, Mr. Chahal, and talking us through the latest ongoings there and the outlook going forward.